Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today I'm going to be reviewing 3 of the best humidifiers. After doing research, I found these humidifiers that are truly the best on the market right now. I've embedded the links to the products in the video description so that you can check them out. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Honeywell HCM350 Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier. The Honeywell's evaporative technology, as opposed to ultrasonic or warm mist, avoids problems common to other methods, like over-humidification, pools of condensed water around the base, and white mineral dust building up on nearby surfaces. The HCM350 Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier is easier to keep clean than nearly every other humidifier we've tested, because every part that touches water is free of electronic components and lacks the sharp angles that harbor buildup. And the HCM350 is the only humidifier we found that has a seamless molded reservoir, which eliminates a problem common in inferior models: leaks. Evaporative humidifiers like this are not the most powerful type, but in less than 2 hours, the Honeywell reaches and maintains a comfortable level of humidity in a room of up to about 400 square feet. SPT SU-9210 Digital Evaporative Humidifier. It performs very similarly to the Honeywell and is easy to clean because it has no electronic components inside that touch water. It even adds a humidistat, which is accurate according to our testing. However, the SU-9210 costs a bit more upfront, has annoying beeping buttons, and lacks a one-piece reservoir, which could lead to leaks in the long run. Like the Honeywell, its evaporative humidifying mechanism doesn't have as much power as an ultrasonic model, and it reaches its limit in a room of about 400 square feet. SPT SU-4010 Ultrasonic Dual Mist Warm Cool Humidifier. It's ultrasonic, which means it's more powerful than our evaporative picks, but this model, like any humidifier of its type, can spread an annoying layer of mineral dust and can over-humidify a room. This model stands apart with a level of power that matches the leaders in its category and a price that's roughly half of some competitors. It doesn't have a humidistat, but in our testing, they usually aren't that accurate. The SU-4010 is also harder to clean than the evaporative picks because the water tray is full of sharp angles, a shared trait among all the ultrasonic humidifiers we considered.